Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to download RedNote for your iPhone or Android phone. Okay, subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, and open App Store or open your Google Play and Other Store and click on App Store. And open App Store and click on right corner search and click on this and write RedNote. Click on search and search RedNote. Click on this name and click on install or get or add and etc. Click on this. Okay, download is finished and click on open and open RedNote. Alright, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me.